This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Let's talk about crash parts. There are so many different kinds that it might send your customers' heads spinning. So what definitions can you offer them to make it clearer? OEM parts. OEM collision parts are designed by your vehicle manufacturer and are produced to the same specifications and tolerances as the parts on the vehicle when it was manufactured. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, they are the only parts proven during vehicle development to deliver the intended level of protection as a whole system. Aftermarket parts. Also referred to as non-OEM parts, imitation parts, or copy parts, these parts are produced and supplied by companies other than the original manufacturer. In other words, non-OEM collision parts. They may offer a price-based alternative, but according to CrashRepairInfo.com, may not be made of the same material or to the same tolerances and specifications as OEM parts. LKQ, or like, kind, and quality parts. These are parts salvaged from a vehicle that was previously deemed a total loss. These parts can be found in a salvage yard and are also commonly called salvage parts. While LKQ parts may offer a lower priced alternative, according to CrashRepairInfo.com, the parts used from the salvage vehicle may have already been replaced with aftermarket collision parts or may be structurally compromised as a result of the collision. Reconditioned parts. Reconditioned generally means parts removed from an existing vehicle that are repaired and or refinished, such as bumper covers, wheels, or lamps. Damage to your vehicle or its parts caused by the failure of reconditioned parts may not be covered by your new vehicle warranty. Counterfeit parts. These parts may be similar in physical appearance to OEM collision parts, but are different internally in such a manner that may not be detectable to the average person or even a trained technician. These parts are falsely branded as if made by an OEM and often sold by unscrupulous distributors trying to pass them off as coming from the OE manufacturer. Hopefully, these part type definitions can help you clear up your customers' confusion on the myriad of part choices out there. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.